Are you struggling with app crashes on your iPhone after the latest iOS update? You're not alone. Many users are facing this frustrating issue, which can really disrupt your daily routine. In this video, we'll dive deep into the causes of these crashes and share two powerful solutions that can restore your device's performance and reliability. First, we'll show you how to completely uninstall the problematic apps. This means not just deleting the app, but removing all associated data to ensure a fresh installation. This step can effectively eliminate any bugs carried over from the update, allowing you to start anew. Next, we'll highlight the importance of checking for new iOS updates. Software updates often include critical fixes that address known issues, including app instability. We'll guide you on how to check for and install the latest updates to enhance your device's performance.